One day, Gerda quietly slipped into her father's workshop. She spent a long time looking at all the tools. Then, she found a few small wooden boards, some tiny nails, and a piece of string. After thinking for a while, she decided to build a little bird feeder. Carefully, she fitted each piece together and smiled to herself. Just then, her father walked into the workshop.
Gerda? You're in here again?
Daddy, look! I think I can make a beautiful bird feeder.
You think? Why do you need to think about things like that? That's not something little girls do. Why don't you go help Mommy in the kitchen instead? You're much better at that.
But I think I can finish it.
Don't worry. Boys are usually much better at building things like this. You're such a beautiful little girl. Don't fill your head with things like this.
Gerda quietly looked at the almost finished bird feeder. Then she turned around and silently walked out of the workshop.
Let's pause for just a moment and take a closer look at what happened. Gerda didn't come into the workshop because she wanted to upset anyone. She was curious. She wanted to think, experiment, explore, and create something with her own hands. That's how her free, curious nature expresses itself. Without even realizing it, her father gave Gerda several powerful messages. When he said, "Why do you need to think about things like that?" Gerda may have heard something very different. Maybe I shouldn't think. When he gently took the hammer from her hands, she may have heard, maybe I shouldn't do things. And when he said that boys are usually better at building things, another quiet belief may have begun to grow inside her. Maybe I'll never be good enough. Words like these rarely change a child in a single day, but when similar messages are repeated again and again, they slowly become part of the child's inner world. Years later, that child may grow into someone who is intelligent, talented, and highly educated. Yet when it's time to make a decision, take initiative, or show what they're capable of, something unexpected can happen. Their thoughts seem to disappear. Their mind fills with white noise. Their body seems to freeze, and they begin to doubt themselves, even though they have more than enough knowledge and ability. Sometimes it isn't a lack of intelligence at all. Sometimes it's simply an old message that a little child heard long ago.